Let's begin. Where are you from, Miss Mirza?
I'm from in Singh, but still I am live in Narayanganj because of my job.
Okay, what job do you do?
I'm doing as a fashion designer
Why did you select this field of job?
because I am too much interested about fashion. That's why I am choosing it. It is not this is not a easy job because of my family is not agree with me about this subject, but I am so want to um, join this subject. That's why I am joining. And I have a lots of problem about when I talk anyone, I can feel so much nervous. That's why I can
You're doing
join.
wonderful. Don't worry about it. Just take it as a normal, casual conversation. You're doing great. Okay. What was your most favorite subject when you were in school?
Most favorite subject is English, but I'm not good speaker.
It's okay. And was there any subject which you didn't like?
I don't like math. Really difficult for me. I don't like.
Yeah, I get you. High five. I don't like maths either. Okay, let's talk about your leisure. What type of activities do you do when you have free time?
Mainly, I have no leisure time because of I'm too much busy. It sounds like not good because my office time is started on 8 a.m. and it finished 7 p.m. Then I am waiting for Cambrol Academy classes. Then I'm going to sleep. That's why I don't have enough time. And
I see.
recently I'm shifted on Narayanganj. And there I have no friends, so I can feel like alone.
Okay, Miss Mirza, that is all about all I needed to hear from you about your evaluation test. Now, আপনার কাছে জানতে চাচ্ছি আপনার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স কামরুল একাডেমির সাথে কেমন?
কামরুল একাডেমির সাথে আমার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স খুবই ভালো ছিল, বাট আমি এখনো অনেক নার্ভাস। আমি যখন কথা বলতে যাই তখন আমার আসলে ফিল হয় যে আমি খুব নার্ভাস ফিল করছি। দ্যাটস ওয়াই আমি আসলে আমার স্পিচটাও ফুললি কমপ্লিট করতে পারি না, কিন্তু আমি প্রপার সেন্টেন্স মেক করতে পারি। নর্মালি আমি যেহেতু একটা জার্মান বায়ার দেখি, আমি আমার অল কাইন্ড অফ কমিউনিকেশন ইংলিশেই হয়, বাট আমি স্পোকেনটার জন্যই যাতে এটা ফ্লুয়েন্সি পায় সেটার জন্যই ট্রাই করছি। আমি মনে হচ্ছে কিছুটা ইমপ্রুভ করেছি।
Okay, that's great. And I hope that you keep this journey of progress on the continuation. And I wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Ms. Shefali, it is going to be a very random and casual conversation, nothing else. I just need to evaluate whether you can carry a conversation or not. Let's begin. Ms. Shefali, where are you from again?
I am from Manikganj. It's a division of Dhaka. It's a small city actually.
Which do you prefer more, to live in a small city or to live in a big?
I prefer both. It depends on necessity actually.
Do you have a lot of friends?
No, sir. I don't have a lot of friends, but some friends are very close to me, and we meet every month.
Are those your college friends or?
It's my school friend.
Okay, let's talk about your leisure. What type of activities do you do in your leisure time?
Yeah, nothing special. In my leisure time, I mostly listening music, and sometimes I go outside and I eat various kind of street foods.
Very nice. What types of music do you like to listen?
I like 90s song and soft Bengali song.
All right, that is the end of your speaking test. That's the end of your evaluation test actually. And at the end, আমি আপনার কাছে জানতে চাইবো যে কামরুল একাডেমির সাথে আপনার এই 3 মাসের জার্নিটা কেমন ছিল? ডু ইউ থিঙ্ক আপনার শুরু থেকে এই 3 মাসের মাঝে আপনার ইংলিশের মধ্যে ডেভেলপমেন্ট আপনি বুঝতে পারছেন, ফিল করতে পারছেন?
Sir, I can understand in every single sentences, but when I speak, then my brain is stuck. It's big problem, my mind actually. But Kamrul Academy's journey was smooth.
All right, thank you so much, Ms. Shefali.